For 2025, the Citroën C3 is expected to introduce a number of exciting features, in line with the global trend towards greener and more advanced technologies. One of the key innovations expected is an electric or plug-in hybrid variant. The shift towards electrification will provide consumers with more efficient and environmentally friendly options, in line with global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and fossil fuel consumption. The exterior design of the Citroën C3 is also expected to undergo significant updates. The 2025 model may feature more futuristic design elements, such as a slimmer grille and more advanced LED lighting. A wider choice of colors and trims will also give consumers the opportunity to customize the appearance of the vehicle to their personal taste. Making it more attractive and in line with the latest design trends, infotainment and connectivity technology is another area that will see improvements. The 2025 Citroën C3 is likely to be equipped with the latest infotainment system that supports deeper smartphone integration, more advanced voice control features and 5G connectivity. These updates will ensure that drivers and passengers stay connected and entertained throughout the journey. Safety features will also be a major focus on the 2025 model. Citroën is likely to introduce more advanced active and passive safety technologies, including smarter parking assistance systems and more efficient collision avoidance features. This will improve safety and provide additional protection for the driver and passengers. For the interior, the 2025 Citroën C3 is expected to offer more premium material quality, with improved ergonomic design and additional features such as electronically adjustable seats and a high-quality audio system. Wider customization options will also allow customers to customize the interior of the vehicle according to their preferences. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Citroën C3 is likely to be in a competitive price range, similar to previous models but with the addition of new features and technologies. Estimated prices for the standard variant may range between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the specifications and options selected. Prices for the electric or plug-in hybrid variants may be slightly higher, given the more advanced technology and higher production costs.